Welcome to this mindfulness meditation designed to help you cultivate presence in the moment. Whether you're new to meditation or simply looking to reconnect with the present, this session will guide you toward a state of calm awareness. Find a comfortable seat or lie down, and let's begin. As you settle in, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, your face, your back, and let your entire body sink into relaxation. Your only task for the next few moments is to be present, to simply be aware of the here and now. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nose, travels down into your lungs, and then slowly leaves your body. There's no need to change your breathing. Just observe it as it is. Feel the natural rise and fall of your chest or belly with each breath. Each inhale brings in new energy, and each exhale releases anything you no longer need. Focus on the rhythm of your breath, allowing it to anchor you in this moment. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the breath without judgment. Now, shift your attention to your body. Starting at the top of your head, slowly scan your body with your awareness. Notice any sensations or areas of tension. Simply observe what is there. There's no need to fix or change anything. Move your attention from your head down to your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Feel the weight of your body against the surface you're sitting or lying on. Continue down your torso, noticing the rise and fall of your breath in your chest and abdomen. Move your attention to your legs and finally to your feet. Feel the sensations in your body, knowing that you are fully present in this moment. As you rest in this state of awareness, thoughts may begin to arise. When they do, simply notice them. Imagine each thought as a cloud passing through the sky. Observe it, acknowledge it, and let it pass. There's no need to follow the thought or engage with it. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness observing them. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath, to the body, or to the present moment. Be kind to yourself during this process. This is a time to practice being present without judgment. Expand your awareness to the space around you. Become aware of the sounds in your environment, perhaps the sound of your own breath, distant sounds from outside, or the subtle noises within the room. Simply notice these sounds as they come and go, without labeling them or becoming attached to them. Feel the air on your skin, the sensation of the ground beneath you, and the overall energy in the space. You are part of this moment, fully immersed in the experience of being present. As we prepare to close this meditation, bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the steady rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Know that at any time throughout your day, you can return to this place of mindfulness just by focusing on your breath and being fully aware of the present moment. When you're ready, slowly begin to deepen your breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing some movement back into your body. If your eyes are closed, softly open them, taking in the space around you. Take a moment to acknowledge how you feel right now. You've cultivated mindfulness and awareness of the present moment that you can carry with you throughout your day. Thank yourself for taking this time for your mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for joining me in this practice. If this meditation resonated with you, feel free to leave a comment or share your experience. I'll see you next time.